Try as I may, I'm still fighting for you in my own long-suffering way. You were born to watch my private ceremonies, all from the dark parts of rooms. Try as I may to hold your crazy ass against the wall in my scared shitless way. You came down to see my private ceremonies, all on the floor of this room. Try as I may, I am always kept safe in my right-minded hell. You were born to hold my cannonball brain like the Lord holds the moon. Try as I may, I never did seduce the wall with my spinning and my swinging and span.